little artist, I'm Mariana Olson, and today we're drawing a little ghost. Are you ready?
Let's do this.
Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello, little artist. Today my daughter Valentina is here with me. Val, you wanna say hi?
Hi.
Valentina and I were gonna draw this little ghost, cute little ghost, and we hope you like this lesson. Let's start the picture here in the middle of the paper, and then we're gonna do first a little smile for the ghost. Okay, now we're gonna do a little tongue that is sticking out, and we're gonna do a U shape in the middle of our smile. Good job. Now in the center we're gonna put a little line so it looks more like a tongue. And now we're gonna do the eyes. So next to the smile, I'm gonna do two oval shapes for the eyes. And this time, we're not gonna color in black. We're gonna leave it blank like this. We're gonna put some color at the end. So make sure that you do two oval shapes right next to the smile.
You know how to make a ghost sound?
How?
That's from Mario.
Oh, that's why.
That's all I know.
Okay, that's good. Good. Now we're gonna leave a finger space next to the eye, and we are actually gonna put a little dot next to that finger. The same here, we're gonna put our finger and then we're gonna put a dot. And now we're gonna connect these two dots with a curve. So I'm gonna rotate my paper a little, and I'm gonna start doing a curve that goes up and come back down and connect with my dot. Good job. Now, on the right side, we're gonna do the hand that is holding the pumpkin, where he's gonna collect all his candy. So this line, I wanna extend it a little, and I wanna pass the eyes a little bit. Good job.
Actually, you can put candy in the pumpkin thing.
Yeah, we can put candy. So now let's do a little circle, which is gonna be the hand of the ghost. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do here a circle right there. And from this circle, we're gonna do the handle. So here in the middle, I'm gonna do one curve. And on the other side, I'm gonna do another curve. Now we're gonna do a curve that connects the two lines on the bottom. And now we're gonna start here and doing another curve inside. It's just kind of like a half of a circle. Good job, perfect. Yeah, that can be a little tricky, eh? Now, we are gonna do the bottom of the pumpkin. So from this corner, I'm gonna curve down.
That was smart. Oh, wait. You can like that part.
And now from this part, I'm gonna go down. Now in the middle between these two lines, we're gonna do kind of like a U shape. So I'm gonna go like this, U shape.
U shape looks like a chin or smile.
Yeah, it looked like a chin. And now we're gonna do two more curves. So we're gonna do from here, curve up and connect with this line. From here, curve up and connect with this line. Now we're gonna do a cute face to this pumpkin. So we're gonna do a little dot for the eyes and a really teensy weensy smile in the center. There, so that's our pumpkin. Now that we have our pumpkin done, we're gonna finish the ghost. So we're gonna cross this line. We're gonna imagine passing behind the hand and comes down here. Now goes in behind. We're imagining this line goes behind the pumpkin. I wanna go down and I wanna curve up. Now on this side, I wanna start going down, down, down until I reach a curve like this. And I wanna try to make it at the same distance as this. So I'm gonna stop at the same, good job, at the same distance, okay?
Okay.
Perfect. Now we're gonna do more curves until we reach to this. You can make as many curves as you want. I wanna make one more big one. So I wanna do up, down, up, and down. Good job, Vale. To finish our picture, we're just gonna do little bats around the ghost, right?
And maybe we can say like boo.
You want to say boo? Okay, but let's do the bats first, okay? So the bat is gonna be really simple. We're gonna do triangle, line, triangle. And these bats are little.
Line, triangle.
Now we're gonna do
Line, triangle.
now we're gonna do line on the side, line on the side. And I want to imagine this, I'm going here in the middle, I want to put a little dot here. Now I want to do curves until I get to the point. So I want to do curve, curve, curve. And then on the other side the same. Curve, curve, curve.
Curve, 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 curve.
Now on these, we're going to do the same idea, the little face. So we're going to do 1, 2 dots for the eyes. But for the smile, we're going to do like this. We're going to do a line. And then we're going to do 1 and 2 fangs. Good job. Now let's repeat the same idea. What we learned, we're gonna put more bats around it. So let's put 2 more, okay? This part of the video, it can go a little faster, but remember, you can stop the video if you wanna copy what we're doing. Okay, so now we're gonna make like a balloon up here to like a bubble. Now we're gonna make like a bubble sign here to the boo letter. So we're gonna do an oval shape and make sure that you're gonna leave an open space on the bottom of the oval shape. That space that we leave open, we're gonna do a triangle shape that is pointing to the ghost, so we know that he is talking. And now inside you can write the message you want. We are gonna put boo, so we're gonna start with the letter B. And then 2 big letter O's. And there, that's it. We finished this little ghost that I...
Actually you can put an exclamation mark.
Oh, we should put an exclamation mark? Yes, that's a good idea. So he's like, boo, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and now my favorite part is coming. That is...
Let's color!
Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how our pictures turn out. I think this ghost is super cute and I hope it was easy for you to follow. Remember, you can add in the background something different. We decided to add these little bats or...
like we could put a grave, zombies.
Ooh, graves would be nice. Or like creepy branches coming here, maybe.
Yeah, maybe
right?
some like witches or jack-o'-lanterns.
Whoa, yes, there is so much you can do. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time. Bye.